Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Do or DIY, where we prioritize creation over consumption and learn some fun crafts. You guys have really been enjoying the crochet tutorials lately, so I'm going to follow up on that, if my camera will hold still. I'm going to follow up on that with another very simple no-sew frog amigurumi. I am also going to list the written pattern over on my Etsy today, and you can save 30% off of that if you use this code right here. And I would greatly appreciate you guys checking out my Etsy shop, because I don't make any money from this channel. That is how I make my money, and I appreciate any support over that for my business. What you're going to need to make this pattern is a weight 6 green yarn. This is the same brand I almost exclusively use for my stuffed animals. This is the Stitches and Loops yarn from Michaels, and I will link it below if you are interested in that. You're also going to need a set of safety eyes. I am using 12mm safety eyes. I got these on Amazon. And then you're going to need some stuffing, a little bit of a 4-ply regular worsted weight black yarn just to embroider the mouth. And then you are going to need a 5.5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors, and that is it. This is such a quick, easy pattern. I promise you guys, it is so much fun to make. On at the frog, you're just going to start with a magic circle and work 6 single crochet into it before you pull it shut. You have to be relatively gentle when tugging on this yarn because it does snap relatively easily. Round 2, you are going to increase in each stitch around for a total of 12 single crochet. Three, you're going to start with a bobble stitch, which is going to form one of the eyes for the frog. To do a bobble stitch, you are going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops there, and then leaving these 2 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over again, insert back, yarn over, pull through 2, and you're going to repeat this until you have 6 loops on your hook. Like so, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through all of those loops at once, which is what gives you this textured element. Follow that first bobble stitch with an increase, and then you are going to work a single crochet in the next stitch, going to increase in the next stitch, and then we are going to make another bobble stitch in the next. Oops. We are then going to increase in the next stitch. Then you are going to work 1 single crochet in the next stitch, increase in the one after that, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, increase in the one after that, and then one more time you're going to work 1 single crochet in the next stitch and increase in the one after that. You should have a total of 18 stitches, including the 2 bobble stitches. 4 through 7, which is a total of 4 rounds, you're just going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 18 single crochet. Did those rounds, it's time to add our safety eyes, which are going to go directly in the bobble stitches that we made in round 3. Like so. 8, you are going to work 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and then you're going to decrease across the next 2. You're going to repeat this all the way around for a total of 12 stitches. For the last round, you want to stuff your frog. And then for the 9th and final round, you're just going to decrease across the next 2 stitches and repeat that all the way around for a total of 6 single crochet. It's time to finish off your frog, so cut your yarn, leaving a little bit of a yarn tail so you can sew the hole in the bottom shut, and finish that off. To close the hole in the bottom, I just always kind of loop my yarn needle through the stitches like that to gather it shut. I find this to be the most seamless way to do so. Once you pull that tight, you just want to knot off the yarn and weave it back into the body. To add the mouth, so I just double over a piece of black yarn and thread it through my yarn needle, and then to embroider this, I go in through the back of the frog and I find the spot where I want the mouth to start. And I pull it through, but I need to leave a little bit back here so I can tie it. And then you're going to make a V. So you're going to sew it down and up to the next point like that. And then go back down to that point and I push it back through to where I left the yarn on the other side. And now you can just pull this taut, tie those 2 ends together. And then when you trim it tight, it is very easy to just tuck those threads back in and have seamlessly added that. Easy no-sew amigurumi frog. He is perfect and squishy, and he's small enough to be a nice and easy market prep item. I find that people really do like to have some of the smaller and more inexpensive items available to them when shopping at markets and things. If you love this pattern and you want the written copy, I'm gonna put that up over on my Etsy if you want to check that out. Again, I'll leave a coupon code at the beginning of this video if you want to save 30% off on that pattern. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in my next video soon.